Many people are choosing dairy-free options these days. Some people have allergies to dairy milk. Others might have ethical concerns about dairy farming. Many people also find they feel healthier without dairy. Whatever the reason, there's good news. You can still enjoy delicious ice cream without dairy. Making your own dairy-free ice cream at home is fun and easy. It allows you to control the ingredients and customize the flavors to your liking. Dairy-free ice cream is a delicious and versatile dessert. Get ready to experiment and impress your friends with amazing frozen creations. Let's get started. The base of any good dairy-free ice cream is the milk. When it comes to dairy-free options, the choices are vast and exciting. From nut-based milks to grain-based ones, each type brings its own unique qualities to the table. Whether you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or just looking to try something new, there's a dairy-free milk out there for you. Luckily, there are many tasty options. You can find dairy-free milks made from almonds, cashews, coconuts, oats, soy, rice, and even peas. Each of these has its own distinct flavor profile and nutritional benefits, making it easy to find one that suits your taste and dietary needs. Each dairy-free milk alternative has a unique flavor and creaminess. For instance, almond milk is often light and slightly nutty, while oat milk tends to be thicker and creamier. Coconut milk, on the other hand, is rich and adds a tropical twist to your recipes. Coconut milk is rich and creamy. It's perfect for creating a luscious texture in your ice cream. The natural fats in coconut milk help to mimic the creaminess of traditional dairy, making it a popular choice for many. It adds a subtle coconut flavor. This can be a delightful addition to tropical or fruity ice cream flavors, enhancing the overall taste experience. Use full-fat coconut milk from a can for the best texture. The higher fat content ensures a creamier, more indulgent ice cream that rivals any dairy-based version. Almond milk is a popular choice. It's widely available and has a mild, nutty flavor that pairs well with a variety of ingredients. It has a light and refreshing taste. This makes it a great option for those who prefer a less creamy, more refreshing ice cream. Look for unsweetened almond milk with a higher fat content. This will help achieve a better texture in your ice cream, without adding unnecessary sugars. Cashew milk is known for its creamy texture. It's a fantastic option for creating a smooth and rich ice cream base. It has a neutral flavor that blends well with other ingredients. This makes it versatile and easy to use in a variety of ice cream recipes. These are just a few examples. The world of dairy-free milks is vast and full of possibilities. You can also find soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, and more. Each of these options brings its own unique characteristics to your ice cream, allowing you to experiment and find the perfect match for your taste buds. Each one will create a slightly different texture and taste in your ice cream. This means you can have fun experimenting with different combinations to see what you like best. Experiment to find your favorite. The beauty of dairy-free milks is that they offer endless possibilities for creativity in the kitchen. So go ahead, try them all and discover the magic of dairy-free milks in your ice cream creations. Before we start making ice cream, let's gather our tools. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. You probably already have most of these things in your kitchen. A blender is essential for blending the ice cream ingredients until smooth. A saucepan will be used to heat and thicken the ice cream base. An ice cream maker is the key to achieving a creamy texture. There are many different models available, so choose one that fits your budget and needs. An airtight container is important for storing the ice cream in the freezer. That's it. With these simple tools, you'll be well on your way to making delicious dairy-free ice cream. Now let's talk about the basic ice cream base. This is the essential starting point for creating a variety of delicious frozen treats. Whether you're aiming for a classic vanilla, a rich chocolate, or something more adventurous like matcha or lavender, it all begins with a good base. This is the foundation for all your delicious flavor combinations. A well-prepared base ensures that your ice cream will have the right texture and consistency, making it smooth and creamy rather than icy or grainy. Start with your choice of dairy-free milk. There are many options available, such as almond milk, coconut milk, soy milk, and oat milk. Each type of milk brings its own unique flavor and texture to the ice cream, so feel free to experiment and find your favorite. You'll need about 2 cups. This will form the liquid base of your ice cream, providing the necessary moisture and creaminess. Remember, the type of milk you choose will affect the final flavor of your ice cream. Add a sweetener. The sweetener not only adds sweetness but also helps to improve the texture and scoopability of the ice cream. You can use sugar, agave nectar, maple syrup, or any other sweetener you prefer. Each sweetener has its own distinct flavor profile, so choose one that complements the other ingredients in your ice cream. Start with a quarter cup and adjust to your liking. Include a thickener. Thickeners are crucial for achieving that rich, creamy texture that makes ice cream so delightful. This will help to create a creamy texture and prevent ice crystals from forming. Without a thickener, your ice cream might end up too icy and less enjoyable to eat. Cornstarch, tapioca starch, or arrowroot powder all work well. Each of these thickeners has its own properties, but they all serve the same purpose of giving your ice cream a smooth, creamy consistency. You'll only need about 1 tablespoon. This small amount is enough to make a big difference in the texture of your ice cream. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Salt is a magical ingredient that enhances the flavors of the other ingredients, making your ice cream taste even better. Salt enhances the flavors of the other ingredients. It balances the sweetness and brings out the subtle nuances of the flavors you've added. Once you have all your ingredients, whisk them together in a saucepan. This step ensures that everything is well combined and that the thickener is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Then, heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Heating activates the thickener and helps to meld the flavors together. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Be patient and keep stirring to prevent the mixture from sticking to the bottom of the pan or forming lumps. The mixture should coat the back of a spoon when it's ready. This is a good indicator that it has reached the right consistency and is ready for the next step in your ice cream making journey. Now comes the fun part, churning the ice cream. Once your base has cooled completely, pour it into your ice cream maker. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific model. Churning usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it has the consistency of soft serve ice cream. If you want a firmer texture, you can transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze it for another hour or two. Section 6. Flavor Burst, Unveiling Delicious Possibilities. Welcome to a world where your taste buds can explore endless possibilities with dairy-free ice cream. This is your chance to get creative and experiment with flavors that excite you. Here's where you can get creative. Imagine the joy of mixing and matching different ingredients to create a unique ice cream experience every time. The flavor possibilities are endless with dairy-free ice cream. From classic favorites to exotic blends, there's something for everyone. You can add fresh fruit like strawberries, raspberries, or mangoes to give your ice cream a refreshing and natural sweetness. Or perhaps you're a fan of chocolate. Add chocolate chips, nuts, or even a swirl of melted vegan chocolate for a rich and indulgent treat. Don't forget about spices. A dash of cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger can transform your ice cream into a warm and comforting dessert. Fruity delights. Blend in fresh strawberries, raspberries, or mangoes for a refreshing treat. The natural flavors of the fruit will shine through, making each bite a burst of freshness. Imagine scoops of vibrant, fruity ice cream that not only taste amazing but also look stunning. Perfect for a summer day or any time you crave something light and fruity. Chocolate heaven. Add cocoa powder, melted vegan chocolate, or chocolate chips to satisfy your chocolate cravings. The rich, deep flavors of chocolate will make your ice cream irresistible. Whether you prefer dark milk or white chocolate, there's no limit to the chocolatey combinations you can create. Nutty indulgence. Stir in chopped almonds, pecans, or walnuts for a crunchy and flavorful twist. The nuts add a delightful texture and a burst of flavor with every bite. Nutty ice cream is perfect for those who love a bit of crunch and a lot of flavor. It's a satisfying treat that combines the creaminess of ice cream with the richness of nuts. Spice it up. Experiment with cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, or cardamom for warm and comforting flavors. These spices can add a unique twist to your ice cream, making it perfect for cozy evenings. Spiced ice cream is a delightful way to enjoy familiar flavors in a new form. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, perfect for any time of the year. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The beauty of dairy-free ice cream is that you can customize it to your heart's content. Let your imagination run wild and create your own signature flavors. The possibilities are truly endless, and the only limit is your creativity. So grab your ingredients and start experimenting today. Section 7. Mix-in magic, adding texture and fun. Don't forget about mix-ins. They add texture and excitement to every bite. You can mix them into the ice cream during the last few minutes of churning, or you can sprinkle them on top. Chocolate chips. A classic choice that adds a satisfying crunch. Chopped nuts provides a nutty flavor and a bit of texture. Shredded coconut adds a chewy texture and a hint of coconut flavor. Fruit swirls. Create beautiful swirls by layering fruit preserves or sauces with the ice cream. Get creative and try different combinations. Section 8. Tips and tricks for ice cream perfection. Here are a few tips to help you achieve ice cream perfection every time. Chill your ice cream maker bowl thoroughly before churning. This will help the ice cream freeze faster and prevent it from melting too quickly. Don't overchurn the ice cream. Overchurning can make it dense and icy. If the ice cream becomes too thick, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before scooping. Store leftover ice cream in an airtight container in the freezer. It will keep for up to 2 weeks. With a little practice, you'll be making delicious and impressive dairy-free ice cream in no time. Section 9. Dive into the world of dairy-free delights. Congratulations! You've discovered the joys of making dairy-free ice cream at home. It's a fun and rewarding experience that lets you enjoy delicious frozen treats without any dairy. So gather your ingredients, get creative with flavors, and experiment with mix-ins. Soon, you'll be scooping up bowls of dairy-free goodness that will impress your friends and family. Enjoy the sweet taste of success.